Hey guys, Anissa here. Today I'm going to be doing some makeup with you all that was pretty much inspired by someone just leaving a comment on one of my videos that previously used the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original one, just asking for more tutorials with it, and I was like, you know what? I can do that. So if you like glam, if you like makeup, hit like on this video, subscribe. Just for like a little disclaimer, we're just gonna be talking about really the product. I have a full opinion about everything happening. I really actually am going to be showing you two of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collabs, the original one, and then one of the extended palettes from the vault, just to show you how they work together, just to create this eye look that I'm wearing right now. I bought these palettes because personally I'm over the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collabs, but I did really like the color stories, so I was like, all right, at $15, I'm just gonna see what it's about. So that's why I'm still featuring that product. And if you have opinions about it, I just ask for you to set them aside for a moment and just get inspired with some glam, and let's get into it. So I'm gonna start today's look by lining the waterline just with a colored pencil. This one's from Urban Decay. It's an alkaline. It was limited edition, but honestly, NYX, I promise you, probably has a dupe for it. They have so many different ones, but this is like a rich like wine color, and I'm just going to line the lower lash line and water. So I'm actually starting this off pretty strong just by packing the color Royalty onto the lid like so, and I'm using it dry, I'm not using it wet at all. And I mean, as you can see, putting it on, they're good for what they are. It's not like the most glide on formula, but I mean, it isn't like super high-end makeup either. Now I'm actually gonna go in and blend this all the way down as much as possible. I'm just gonna pop some tape really quick to kind of help minimize the fallout because I already see it like happening. And I'm gonna work Creamsicle into my transition. I always like something a little bit of a yellow or warm base. It just tends to look better, and I photograph much better with that type of undertone in my crease. I really feel like transition shades is really dependent upon your skin tone. So what we would naturally go for would be something in the same color family really won't work all the time. Now I'm gonna grab this color Obsessed just on a really small brush. This is a Morphe E36. I'm just gonna blend that in as well, just because that color is a little silvery. Once you like layer some of that left over from your purple shade, you're good. So I do have some of the Vault palettes. I did pick up the one Bling Boss because it was like a true extension of purple shades that were not in the original one. So I'm gonna pick up Rockstar right here just to work into the crease some more too. So I'll be picking up Gem right here and packing it onto the lid as well, just to give it a little bit more of a pop. And I also will be wetting this shade. I'm gonna remove this part now. Now I'm gonna take that other color, Rockstar, and smoke onto this lower lash line. I just see this, so it's already bothering me. So I'm just gonna go back through and blend this all down a little more up here. And like what I'm doing to really try to get it defined a little bit more is really concentrating this Rockstar color right here on the crease. Like that. I'm trying to get it even too. I think one of my eyes is a little bit bigger and I can tell when I'm putting on makeup. And then grabbing this blending brush from Real Techniques and then buffing it out. Now we're gonna grab the color Mystic to finish smoking out the lash line. Okay, so to finish off this look, I just added my normal bronzer. I did add in my Hot Flush Orange Blush, which I have a video all about orange blushes too. Shameless plug, check it out. But I mixed it with a purple blush and just used my usual crown of my Canopy highlighter from Wet n Wild. But the other thing you haven't seen on this channel yet, I'm gonna reapply it right here, is actually the lip color I'm wearing. It's from NYX. It's the Slip Tease lip lacquer, so it's like a gloss in the color Dream Space. I just like literally picked it up today, but she's super pigmented. That's what all the gurus say, super pigmented. I'm kidding. But I've been in a gloss mood lately just because I feel like they keep the lips looking really nice and plump, and that's just like my total aesthetic vibe right now. And this, I was thinking about it on my last trip to Ulta, and then I end up today picking up a couple colors in it. So I will be having a review and swatch and try on video later. All right, you guys, this is the time where I have to say goodbye to you all, but before we do, I just want to thank you for hanging out and glamming it up with me today. I had so much fun creating this look. I wanted to use more from the original palette, but honestly, my vibe lately has just been so vampy and grungy, and I wanted to show these two palettes working together because I know that's been like the big controversy amongst other things when it comes to this palette. So just pushing the drama to the side and bringing the inspiration forth was the whole intent of this. And if you have questions, if you have requests, if you just want to say hi, hop into the comment box down below and do so I can connect with you all there. Also, check out the description box. I'll have all information about the products used today. I will also try to provide some dupes for some of these colors that I used today, just in case you're not into Morphe. If you're not near Ulta to go check it out, or you don't feel comfortable ordering online, or you just don't like the brand and the collaboration, I get it. I will try to find some alternatives for you as well, because my whole purpose is to hopefully inspire you all to play with some glam. So you guys, thank you again for watching. I appreciate it. I will catch you all in my next video. Have a good one. Stay glamorous, stay blessed. Bye.